What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy, The Real JB, back in the YouTube video. Today, as y'all can tell by the title, we made some shrimp fried rice, man. We done something a little different. Called Cooking with JB and Trop, man.
Wow.
Got my dog Ty in the back. He back there making cookies. But y'all stay tuned. Alright, so starting off, we got our shrimp. Raw shrimp, man. I already peeled, no tail, no shell, nothing. For seasoning, we got tarnish, we got some oyster sauce, and then we got some soy sauce. And we gonna throw regular onion and some green onion on top. Plus, we got some eggs, and we got the rice cooking over there right now. So first, you wanna cut this up?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead, put that up. And then I'm gonna season the shrimp.
Cut that right?
Get your fill some. Yeah, wash it off too.
Please that.
Mixing them up a little bit. I don't really know how much seasoning I should put though. I don't want to put too much. I don't want to put too little either. You ain't have no taste. But that seasoning is going.
What key is it? Man, this
I'm gonna add a little soy sauce to the shrimp too.
soy sauce.
Yeah, boy, I'm telling you, boy. I'm in the kitchen for real.
Look, man, I don't cook, so I cook.
Kendall don't really cook. He don't really know that, so his recipe kind of on me. So if it's nasty, it's my fault.
Yeah, I don't do cooking, man. I don't do cooking.
Just put a little bit up now.
I gotta take all of them.
No, man, you start cutting it. Man, when you cut it, it's gonna start peeling. Put that sauce on it now. That what it look like. I'm gonna let that sit for a little while. Let it marinate. What you doing? Making stir fry rice in the hood, huh?
Alright. You shrimp fried rice in the hood, right? Alright. Boy, cut the onion.
Kendall don't know how to cut onions, bro. If you don't know how to cut onions.
You gotta cut the head off it?
Yeah, you're supposed to do that first.
Oh.
Oh, man. Cut. You know what, my hand right quick.
Bro, how did I do this? Alright, I cut the head off. Yeah.
Take that pan out. Oh, man, this brother know how to cut onions, man.
Oh my god! You back in the onion, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, I ain't no professional. This man really can't cut onions, dog. That's crazy.
Man, I don't do this. Man, we got a little machine there to do this. At my other job.
Alright. I'm gonna throw this.
Hey, look, bro, I'm trying to show off, bro.
Huh?
I'm trying to show off.
Nah, I ain't no professional either, bro. I know that's something.
I see it on TV, but this is hard. This might make this look easy. Oh,
Cause man, I gotta start like with a whole onion. You're right. Me, the cuts all weird and stuff.
man, look, bro. Everything ain't perfect.
I had to do the best I could.
Man, you trying to say I messed up?
Man, you was supposed to cut it in folds.
I did cut it in full.
But they was wop. Like they was old. They wasn't in folds.
And it wasn't.
Like, man, look at this.
Yeah, bro, look, bro.
So we got our onions done. We got our shrimp, man.
Alright.
Shit, he said, bro.
So next thing we're gonna do is fried egg.
Yeah, we could fry the egg.
I think I should fry egg.
You gotta fry eggs.
We gotta fry egg.
Alright,
You know?
Parents,
How many eggs? It's your recipe, how many eggs?
do 4.
It's 4 eggs? I do like a lot of eggs. I like a lot of eggs, you know?
You could do 5. I mean, cause I'm gonna put it in that pot.
Alright. We're gonna do 5 eggs, you know?
Do 4.
Do 4?
Yeah.
Do 4? Alright, we go 4 eggs.
Man, do 5.
Do 5? Do 5? You know? Show you how to crack an egg, you know? Hey, we got a little shell. We got a little shell. Got a little shell. You know? Little shell. You know? Look. Yeah, no shell right here.
You want me to get you some salt and pepper to put up in there? Or you gonna use Tony?
Alright, so we gonna hit it with a little Tony, you know? We got what, 5 eggs? Hit it with a little Tony. Man, you know, hey, y'all drop y'all struggle meals in the comments, you know? We might make them for y'all, cause we got some good struggle meals too, you know?
Hey, if y'all got any ideas y'all want us to make, man, you know, we ain't the best cooks in the world, but we gonna try.
We gonna try, you know?
We gonna try.
You know? Hey, you know, trap fire on that grill too, so you know? Alright, so y'all, this the eggs, you know?
Boy, cooking eggs. Ooh.
You know, your boy got to scrambling the eggs, you know? Cutting them up. Look, bro, they gonna be the fluffiest egg, you know, you gonna ever get. You know, your boy trap fire on these struggle meals. My bad.
This man chopping the egg.
Drop a little egg, we good.
If you done, just put it in.
You love Jay.
Try to make a little egg, man. It look good though, I ain't gonna lie, it look good. Egg. Now we finna get into the shrimp.
Yeah, it's good, man. It's gonna be the fluffiest egg y'all ever gonna get, man. That's your boy. Cuts by time, made some cookies. Cuts by time, man. Tyler Ball, wherever y'all go. You put olive oil and butter?
Yeah. Not even throwing the sizzle, man.
What you got on medium?
I got no higher so it can get hot. I'll bring it down. Smell good already. Get boy close up.
Y'all gotta be looking forward to more cooking videos, you know. We about to turn up, bro. Give y'all a little everything, you know.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We got the shrimps cooked down. Finna add the onion to it and cook the onion down. Add some butter first to it. Not them, the white ones. Like that. Probably like half. Mix this all together. onions right there. Finna mix all this together now. Finna get started mixing it all together. No. First, the cook rice, man.
No. Hey, you gonna do the whole thing?
Huh?
You gonna do the whole thing?
It ain't gonna fall in everything.
Yeah, people know what you're doing, man.
I'm just starting to add this stuff together. Make sure you get all that flavor out that pan and put it in there. It's important.
It's the hood way, man. The hood way, man. Little Mike, why you sitting, Mike?
Mix all that together. I'm telling you, bro, it's gonna be good, man. I promise you. Put it on low heat, low to medium. Oyster sauce, man. Soy sauce.
So he gonna add some more rice. He said he got to feed the fam.
Add that oyster sauce.
Let me smell it.
Smell it.
Ugh.
I know how to take it out. Yeah, all that. Alright, and then we just gonna add these little green onions in. You don't have to cook your green onions. You could if you want to, but I mean, me, I don't think so. I'm gonna just add it up in here like here fresh, and then add a little more sauce to it on the top, so them green onions could get just a little wetness to it, so not it'll be dry. All right, and I mean that's it for y'all shrimp fried rice, bro. And that's how it look, man. Oh. I mean, to me it look good, man. I hope it tastes good, bro. You know.
I'm gonna be the judge of that, man.
You know, Ty and Kendall gonna be the judge, man. You know, we gonna do a little taste test or whatever. You know, them boys gonna let me know how it's tasting. You know, but I mean, that's how you make it, bro. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so them boys finna taste test it, man. Man, y'all let me know what y'all think, bro. Be real, be real. Be real. Chopping them in the scoop.
Trying to get something, you know.
Ah! Come on, stop the count. It hit. What it up? What it up? It hit. You stay eating it, looks good.
It's good, man. I just like soy sauce, man.
You like a lot of soy sauce? I wasn't trying to overdo it, man. That soy sauce salty, dog.
It's good, bro.
He munching that.
It's good, bro.
How it is, bro? How it is, chop?
Man, let me see. One more.
You're killing it. Killing that right. Take off. How it is, bro?
It's good.
It's good? It's good? Good?
You good.
Man, yeah, so you know, successful challenge, man. This my first time cooking for real, like I don't really do this cooking stuff, but you know, we'll do more stuff. You know, y'all give me some ideas in the comments below what y'all want to do. You know, like what whatever y'all want me to cook, man. You know, I'll try my best to do it. You know, me and Trap, man. Me and Trap doing this little YouTube stuff or whatever. Y'all gonna see him in the camera mode. This is his first time in the camera, but he gonna be in the video. But y'all let me know what y'all think of today's video. Y'all can try this recipe yourself. You know, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Stay tuned.